Our game is gonna look like this in the end. It's gonna have a world record and a catalog. Hello friends, welcome back to Shia Sisters. Are you ready to make a world record and a world record by variable to keep track of our world record and who beat the world record? So let's get started. Before we start, let's click on the Backdrops tab, go to the Events category and grab the When Green Flag Click block, and go to the Looks category and grab the Switch Backdrop to Backdrop 1 block, because we may have different backdrops later in our project. Click on the Jar Sprite. Now click on the Variables block category and make a new variable for all sprites called World Record. Now you would see a new variable called World Record. So we have to make sure that before we post the project, the world record is set to 0. Now we're gonna check if the points is greater than world record. In this case, we're gonna set the world record to points. So let's get started. Now go to the Controls block category and grab the If Then block. Now let's go to the Operators category and grab the Greater Than block. Now grab the Points variable and add it in the first circle and grab the World Record variable, and we're gonna check if the points is greater than world record. So if points is greater than world record, grab the Set Points to 0 block and change it to world record to points. I hope you can notice that the points is 54 and the world record was 0, and now the world record is 54 and now it's 60 and the world record is also 60. So I think our idea has worked. Now we're gonna make a new variable for all sprites called World Record By, and click on the OK option. Now click on the Sensing block category and grab the Username variable. It keeps track of who is viewing the project. Now go to the Variables block category and grab the Set Points to block and change it to World Record By, and grab the Username block and put it in that circle. I hope you can see that I've changed the points and the world record has also changed, and the World Record By has my name on it. Okay, now that's the end of part 2. In part 3, we'll see how to make the catalog. But for now, bye!